Once upon a time, in a small, cozy village nestled between the rolling hills, there lived a little girl named Mia. Mia loved everything about her village, but she was especially fond of the dark nights. One night, as the sun set, Mia looked out her window and saw the darkest night she had ever seen. The stars twinkled less brightly, and the moon was hidden behind a thick, dark cloud. Mia felt a bit scared, but she knew that something wonderful was about to happen. She wrapped herself in her warm blanket, grabbed her flashlight, and ventured out into the darkness. As she walked, she noticed that the darkness seemed to be alive, filled with the sounds of nocturnal creatures. Suddenly, she came across a path she had never seen before. It was glowing faintly, like a tiny beacon of light. Mia followed the path, her heart pounding with excitement. The path led her to a clearing, where she saw the most beautiful sight she had ever seen. The dark cloud that had been hiding the moon was slowly moving away, revealing a bright, shining star that Mia had never seen before. The star was so bright that it lit up the entire clearing. Mia could see every leaf on the trees, every stone on the ground, and even the smallest bugs scurrying about. The star started to grow bigger and bigger, until it was as big as the moon. It shone so brightly that it lit up the whole village. Mia could see her house, her friends' houses, and even the old, gnarled tree at the edge of the village. The villagers came out of their houses, awestruck by the sight. They gathered around Mia, their faces filled with joy and wonder. The star stayed for a while, lighting up the village, before slowly fading away. Mia went back to her house, her heart still pounding with excitement. She couldn't wait to tell everyone about the darkest night and the brightest star. From that night on, every time she looked up at the sky, she could see the star, reminding her of the magic that lies in the dark. And so, Mia learned that even the darkest nights can bring the brightest stars. She realized that sometimes, the things that scare us the most can also bring us the greatest joy. And she lived happily ever after, always looking forward to the next dark night and the next bright star.